What's up, y'all? I know it's been a minute. Last year was my first year doing a garden. We had so much fun with the kids, and it was really successful. But I've learned so much. So one of the things I had to do this year was prepare my soil. So the way I did it was I first had to tilly up all of the dirt. So I turned it with my tiller machine, and then you have to fertilize your soil. So I fertilized it with mushroom fertilizer mixed with triple 10. And so I worked that into the soil. And this year I'm being a little bit smarter. So I'm going to seed a lot of my vegetables this year. My tomatoes, instead of buying plants, I got squash, I've got cantaloupe, I got watermelon. I won't seed the corn. We just put them in the ground, but I'm not gonna do anything until after I'm sure that I've got the last frost in. I've got tomatoes, I've got bell peppers, I got cantaloupe, I got watermelon, I got lettuce. Last year I had a tremendous amount of success with lettuce. Couldn't find any romaine, but I got a good green leaf lettuce because my boy Aja, he eats salads every day, y'all. So it's warm here now, so it was a great day to get out. I tell y'all something, my wife might have to give me one of them old massages tonight because I ain't used to working like this. So as you can see, I've got 3 areas, and I got my 3rd area over there, and they got doors on them. Obviously you have to keep doors on them because we have so much wildlife out here, from raccoons to deer, and I don't want them in my fruit. So last year I had peppers, squash, green beans. Then in my center, I had tomatoes, sweet potatoes. I'm going back with my sweet potatoes this year because they were really good. Then I had cucumbers. I learned one thing about cucumbers. First year didn't know. I had like 4 plants. Cucumbers was growing everywhere. So this year I'm only going to do like 3 plants because they grow like crazy. Then in my last bay installed over there, I had corn. I also had romaine lettuce in here, but I had corn, collard greens, and watermelon. My watermelon didn't do too well, so I'm hoping with fertilizing the soil that they'll come. But I'm gonna start them in my starter trays and have nice healthy plants by the time I bring them out and make sure that I fertilize them. So whether you got a yard as big as mine, or you have a small garden, hey, get out there and just get started. That's what I did last year. But the soil is ready. I'm going to seed a lot of my plants in the house, in our sunroom downstairs, this week, and let them start growing for about 4 to 6 weeks. By then the frost should be gone, and then I'll come out, till it up again, create my rows, plant them, and by then hopefully the plants are up, and I can't wait. I mean, this is the highlight of my summer. Very excited, wanted to share that with you guys. Hopefully you guys are all ready for the spring. I'm getting ready early because there's nothing like when it's time to prepare a meal and I just come out here, snip me some lettuce or grab me a cucumber, or for Tamika's breakfast, grab her a cantaloupe and cut it open, get my tomatoes. So very excited. We truly here in the Neely home are doing farm to table.